Imagine waking up one morning and realizing the world has shifted just a tiny bit. Not enough for everyone to notice, but enough that you feel it, like a shadow moving behind you even though you're alone. That shadow is AI. And today, I want to take you somewhere most people are too afraid to look. We love to talk about the bright side of artificial intelligence, the miracles, the convenience, the magic tricks. But what about the parts we whisper about only at night? The parts that make your stomach tighten a little? Because behind every glowing screen, every seemingly harmless recommendation, there's a darker pulse, beating quietly. Picture this. You're scrolling through your feed, you're smiling, you're relaxed, but somewhere an invisible system is learning you, your fears, your desires, the tiny cracks in your heart you don't show anyone. It watches how long your eyes rest on a picture, what makes you hesitate, what makes you curious. It doesn't judge, it just takes and takes and takes. Ever felt like your phone knows you a little too well? Yeah, that's not a coincidence. But that's not even the scariest part. The real danger isn't robots taking over or machines becoming smarter than us. It's something far more subtle. It's when we stop questioning, when we start trusting the glowing box more than our own instincts. When we let convenience slowly replace our own thinking, like a soft fog that settles over a quiet town until you can't tell where the road ends and the cliff begins. And maybe you're thinking, but AI helps us. It's making life easier. True, it is. But ease can be a sedative. Sometimes the things that feel the most comforting are the ones that lull us into letting go of pieces of ourselves, bit by bit, without even noticing. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you made a decision without checking a screen first? Still with me? Good. Because here's the twist. The dark side of AI isn't really about the technology. It's about us, our choices, our shortcuts, our hunger for speed, for answers, for control, ironically making us easier to control. The real danger is that we might not lose to AI. We might willingly hand ourselves over. But here's the part that gives me hope. Awareness is power. Curiosity is armor. As long as we keep asking, keep thinking, keep questioning, we stay in the driver's seat. So if this made you feel something, if it sparked a thought, or maybe a little shiver, stick around. There's so much more to uncover, and trust me, this journey is only getting started.